Well, in just hours, we'll find out when Governor Jay Inslee will lift Washington's mask mandate. Here's a look back at the last 2 years of wearing masks. In June of 2020, Washington's statewide mask mandate first went into effect. Almost a year later, in May of 2021, the mask mandate was lifted for fully vaccinated people, allowing them to be back into indoor public spaces without having to wear a mask. But that didn't last long. The mandate went back into effect just a few months later in August, and we're still under that one today. That adds up to more than a year and a half of mask wearing. Olivia Roberts is at the Now Desk. And Olivia, is there any indication of when the mandate will end?
Well, as of now, there's been no mention of when the indoor mask requirement will become a thing of the past. Spokane health leaders are also in the dark about a timeline. However, Governor Inslee has previously said it's likely both the indoor mask mandate and the school mandate will be lifted together. Now, we also know the outdoor mask mandate ends tomorrow. When that statewide requirement is lifted, it's important to remember there is still a federal mask mandate in place. So that means you'll still need to wear one on a plane, bus, and train. There's no new guidance yet from the federal government for when and how to move away from masks. For now, the CDC says hospital capacity remains a top priority as the agency considers when to roll back restrictions.
We want to give people a break from things like mask wearing when these metrics are better, and then have the ability to reach for them again should things worsen. And we'll soon put guidance in place.
During Governor Inslee's press conference today, he'll be joined by State Superintendent Chris Rakedahl. The announcement will happen at 2 o'clock this afternoon. You can watch it live on KXLY.com or on our streaming app, KXLY+. Now, Washington is just one of 3 states left that have yet to announce an end to mask mandates. And though that could change soon, some school districts have already decided to make them optional. Coming up in just 30 minutes, I'll tell you which districts are taking matters into their own hands.